Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mariyam Zubair and my department is BS Biotechnology, batch 8. The topic of my roll number is 031. The topic of my presentation is derived units. First of all, I'll tell you what are the derived units and then I'll tell you some of the conversions of the derived units which we derive from the basic fundamental units or base units. So in chemistry, the drive unit is a SI unit of measurement of one or more of the seven base units. So basically, the units which are physically derived from the seven fundamental units are drive units. For example, length, volume, area, density, concentration, electrochemical equivalent, speed, area, etc. So consider speed. When you travel a certain distance in a certain time, then the unit is distance over time. In drive unit, we write it as, let's see the unit of distance and then see the unit of time. The unit of distance is meter and the unit of time is seconds. So in drive units, we write it as distance over time, mean meter over seconds, or we can write it as meter per second. Now consider density. The unit of density is mass over volume. The unit of mass is kilogram and the unit of volume is meter cube. So we write it as kilogram meter per cube. Now look at the examples of area. What is area? Area is nothing but length square, or we can also write it as length into length. So the SI unit or the drive unit of area is meter square, or you can write it as meter into meter. Now look at the example of concentrations. Concentration is mole over volume. Mole, the unit of mole is nothing, only mole. It has no units. We write it actually mole. So the unit of volume is, I have already tell you the unit of volume is meter cube. So the SI unit of concentration is mole meter per cube. So now we look at the example of electrochemical equivalents. Electrochemical equivalent, the unit of electrochemical equivalent uh, is mass over current into time. The unit of mass is kilogram, but the unit of current into time, if we multiply current with time, we got a new unit which is coulomb. The unit of current is ampere and the unit of time is seconds. So when we multiply ampere with seconds, we got coulomb. So the unit of electrochemical equivalent in drive unit is kilogram per coulomb. So now I have told you some of the examples of drive units. So now you know what is drive units and what are the conversions, how we can convert the basic fundamental units into drive units. These units are for our convenient, for our easy to use. We know how to convert the drive units into basic fundamental units. That's all from my side. Thank you.